Congratulations on purchasing your new Autel Robotics X-Star Premium drone. You'll capture beautiful, steady 4K footage and 12 megapixel photos from the integrated camera with 3-axis gimbal mount. An LCD screen is integrated into the remote to show you critical flight information, and it's easy to stay on course even in challenging flight situations with the dual navigation systems, StarPoint positioning system, and Secure Fly all working to help. You're probably really excited to open your new drone, and I'm excited to help you get started. But first, we need to cover a few safety regulations. These come from the FAA, so they're important. First, find an open space. Never fly near buildings or people. Use a map to make sure you're at least 5 miles from any airport, and I'd suggest leaving yourself about 10 miles to avoid any problems. Make sure you're avoiding all no-fly zones. Most of the time, your drone won't even lift off if you try to use it in a no-fly zone. And finally, always keep your X-Star Premium within eyesight. Now it's time to open the box. The X-Star Premium comes in a nice splash-proof case, handy for travel. When you unzip it, the first thing we'll remove is the drone. There's a gimbal lock here holding the camera in place, and on the side of the gimbal itself is a slot with a 64GB micro SD card already installed. Let's set that aside and pull out the remote controller. The antenna unfold, and there's a holder here for your mobile device. Next is the propeller pouch. The props are color coordinated, red and black, and there are some extras in there in case you break a prop. There's a box of manuals and documents, and this is the charging kit. The smart charger can charge both the drone's battery and the controller at the same time. Finally, the maintenance box is the last thing out of the case. It has items like extra gimbal pins and vibration dampeners, a motor clamp in case you over-tighten your props, and a neck strap for the controller. We can't fly without a fully charged battery, so let's pull the battery out from the back of the drone by squeezing the 2 side tabs and pulling it away from the X-Star. Plug the charger into a wall outlet and charge the battery with one cable and the controller with the other. The charging port on the controller is at the bottom, under a rubber cover. Okay, while those are charging, check out our other Autel X-Star Premium videos.